How to cancel money transfer in Phonepe. First, I will open my Phonepe application on my mobile screen. The methods I explain need to be followed carefully so that you can resolve the processing issue as quickly as possible. If your money is stuck, it can either be processed successfully or refunded to you. Once you open Phonepe, you will see an icon. I will explain it later, but first, let me show you how to check whether my processing payment is stuck. After opening the app, you need to click on the question mark icon. Once you click on it, it will take a moment to load. Since my screen is in Hindi, I will switch to English. Now, select "Do you have any issues with the transaction?" After selecting this option, you will find the pending payment section. When your payment is stuck in processing, it appears here. Below, you will see an option, "How do I cancel my pending payment?" Click on it. At this point, you will see a message stating you cannot cancel a UPI payment. Once a UPI payment is initiated via Phonepe, it cannot be canceled. This is because UPI transactions happen directly between banks in real time, making them irreversible. If your Phonepe transaction is stuck in processing, it cannot be manually canceled. However, within 48 hours, you will receive an update on whether the transaction was successful or failed. If the transaction is successful, the money will be credited to the receiver. If the transaction fails, the amount will be refunded to your bank account within 3 to 5 business days. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.